So we've recently moved from our Castlepark location in Bristol to the new office here at Portwall Lane. Jisc provides universities and colleges with a digital infrastructure. One of the main kind of products we use is something called Janet, which is the network, and that has around about 18 million users UK-wide. My name's Adam Williams, I'm a senior IT engineer for the company. So with the space being quite bright, we have a full glass surround and ceiling. We felt that the LED would give us the most versatile space in that we can dim the brightness, we can choose how bright or how dim we want that space.
From our point of view, this is an amazing space to work in. This plays perfectly into the strong points of LED technology. It's very bright, it's open, it's clean, and the high brightness and contrast really works in this space. So LED was really the only option that they could have gone for. So my name's Ross Noonan, and I'm the technical product specialist for Optoma UK. We came in at the beginning of the week. We helped with the build of the screen. So at Optoma, we're really trying to set ourselves apart from the competition. The support side of things is key to us. It's the same in all of our different areas in terms of projection, interactive flat panels and LED. So we're building on that service that we're offering, and the end result I think is really fantastic, and I hope that Jisc are pleased with what we've delivered.
So for our atrium space, we did look into projection. We looked into multiple screens and monitors sat next to each other. But again, looking at the kind of bezels on those and the quality that you potentially would get out of a projector, we felt that the LED wall would give us the best of both. You get a very good quality, but you also then don't get the kind of window effect.
So for me personally, I think this is one of our best installations. Visavvi have been brilliant to work with, very efficient, very quick, great care and attention to detail. So from a support point of view, it's really easy for us. The calibration has been very quick and easy, and it looks amazing in this space that Jisc have created.
So as well as the space being brilliant for our staff and potential external users, being a member organisation, we can invite our members in for the space, and also they would be free to use the space as and when they feel needed. The atrium itself is probably 95–96% complete. Looking at the space as a whole, it's looking absolutely spot on. The screen fits the wall exactly how we wanted it to, leaving a small edge around it, so it's the centrepiece of that room. Really looking forward to starting to use the kit and actually getting to grips with it.